still got some stuff in the trunk. Man. Oh my goodness. Yo, we got another one. In the name of Dasher Trader. Yes, sir. Been number one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta get all the tippers. Oh, this one 10? 10 on the tip? Alright. Yes, sir. Shout out to Dasher Trader. Oh yeah, check out the gear.
What's up? So got me a new contract that's going to be my route that I'm going to be doing Monday through Friday from 11 to 4. Picking up imported auto parts, taking them to Columbus, Georgia. There's like 4 stops, and then coming back down to LaGrange, Georgia. So this is a pretty good route. It's a round trip. I'm gonna make over $200. So I always like to think about maximizing your time. If you are doing something from 8 to 5 and you're making $120, that's not a good contract, because it's taking up all of your time and you're not even, what are you going to do from that 8 to 5? That's all you're doing is making $120. No. So you need a contract that pays $150, $100, $200, but in a short amount of time. That's what you want to be trying to find. So I have SSF with Courier Express. I did a little bit of Courier Connection yesterday, but like I said, my settlement, I didn't get my email yet. Once I get the email and I see if it's worth my time to continue with them, I will continue with them. But I know guaranteed money is with Courier Express when you have dedicated routes. So I know the guaranteed money that I'm going to make every week with them is going to be over $1,000 just for those auto part contracts. But they got other contracts as well. I'm going to be doing another contract tomorrow until my contract on Tuesday, because I think they're going to be closed on Monday. So on Tuesday it'll start, so they're going to keep me working and things like that until then. So I recommend this company, Courier Express, for dedicated routes. I don't know how the tickets work yet, but yeah, I have to look into that. But yeah, so I just wanted to just come to y'all. I'm going to SSF. It's an imported like auto parts place. Gonna deliver some parts, so I'm going in training. So I'm meeting this girl, and we're gonna do training or whatever. And yeah, so no excuses. Let's go ahead and get these contracts. Let's go ahead and do this gig work. It's a lot of apps out here. Zifty is really booming. They have so many catering like orders. It's ridiculous. I see them just popping up everywhere. So yeah, love y'all. No excuses. Today is Wednesday. Let's go out there and grind hard to be ready for Thursday and Friday to get this money.